Hello and welcome to Palm's Tutors. Today I'll be teaching set operations, the complement and difference of a set. You can check out my video about intersection and union of a set. But before I do that, please keep in mind the definition of a universal set, which is the set that contains all sets under consideration for a particular study. So now to the topic of the day. What's the complement or difference of a set? The complement of a set, usually written as A superscript C or A prime, is a set that contains all elements which are in the universal set but not in A, while the difference of a set, read as A difference B, is all elements in A but not in B. So now you have to keep this in mind. The difference between the complement and difference of a set is just with what you are comparing it with. Now the complement of a set contains all elements which are in that set but not in the universal set, while the difference of a set contains the elements in that set but not in the other set, let's say B, that we are considering. So let's say we have two sets A and B, and A contains every letter in grade, A, D, and E, and set B contains letters in grade L, R, E, A, and T. Because we are talking about alphabet here, the universal set will be a set of all alphabet. So we have A, B, C till we get Z. So now, what's the complement? A complement, for instance, A prime or A superscript C will be all elements in this universal set but not present in A, and that will be all alphabet except G, R, A, D, and E. So also B complement, I can also write it as B prime, will also be all alphabet except the G, R, E, A, and T. So now let's check out what A difference B. It is not A minus B, it is read as A difference B. That will be all elements in A but not in B. So let's check out the elements that are in A but we can't find in B. G here, we have G here, we have R here, we have R here, we have A, we have A also. Do we have D? No. So there is an element already in A but not in B. The last element in A, now let's check E. We have E here and we also have E here. So the only element present in A and not in D and not in B is D. So A difference B only has D. Let's take another example quickly. Given that we have a universal set that contains all numbers less than 15, and we have a set P containing prime numbers less than 15 and Q containing even numbers less than 15. So let's list out the elements of this set. So our universal set will contain whole numbers start from 0. I have a video tutorial on whole numbers, you can check that out. 0, 1, 2, 3 till we get to 14. Yeah, so I took my time to write that out. Sometimes your universal set might be infinite, you might not be able to list out all the elements. So now P prime numbers less than 15. A prime number is a number that can be divided by 1 and itself, and it has to be greater than 1. So the only even number we have, that is a prime number, is 2. So we have 2 less than 14, we have till 13. Then Q even number starting from 2 till 14, since it's less than 15. So now let's see, what is P complement? That will be every element in the universal set but not in P. So let's check that out. 0, not here, we have 0, we have 1, 2 is here present, 3 is here present. So we're going to start from 4, we have 5, 6, we have 8, on and on till 13. So Q complement now, let's see, all elements in the universal set but not in Q. So let me try and use cross. You can also use your pencil to do that in a worksheet or so that you don't get yourself confused. So let's track out every element in Q that we have in U. 2, we have 4, we have 6, we have 8, we have 10, 12, and we have 14. So the others will be the elements in the universal set that we cannot find in Q. So that will be 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. So you get the logic. Now let's see the last example, P difference Q. That is every element in P, but that we cannot find in Q. So let me also try to cross out every element we have in P, but I cannot find in Q. 2 is here, 2 is here, no 3, no 5, no 7, no 11, and no 13. So our P difference Q will be 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. I want to believe this video will be very helpful. Don't keep it to yourself. Share with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and check out for more videos.